ayoko na mangutang. 4 years as a VA, kaya pala short na ako. Diyos ko, ayoko na. Tama lang na ginawa ko to para makita ko lahat. Nakakatamp talaga mag-pay later. Grabe. Kakahil ng inner child. So this is where this topic came from. Why do you think VAs are having financial troubles like this?
Because of course, this time around, they're earning dollars. When I started freelancing and working from home, tapos pandemic pa, so, ayun, sobrang bored sa bahay. So, ayun, natuto ako mag-Shopee Pay.
Money is our favorite topic. Actually, it's also, I would say, the most neglected topic as well. For some who's very literate, knows how to handle their money, I think this is something that they really want to talk about. But for those who's, a little bit behind or have issues with finances, sometimes we don't want to talk about it because we don't want to think about it.